We've only been out at sea for a few minutes, and already we've spotted this boat leaving Turkey trying to get to Greece. Behind it there is another orange dot, another boat arriving, and behind that a third boat. What it tells you is that this flow is constant now. You can see fathers holding their children. Many of the people there haven't got any life jackets on at all. There's a father there in the middle just holding on to his child. Who would put all those people onto that boat, pack them in, and then just send them off to their fate? We can hear whistles and shouts coming from that boat. People are waving, they're trying to get our attention. It's right in the middle of the Aegean Sea between Turkey and Greece. The engine starts, then stops again. Sometimes they're stranded there. It's just so helpless. This is the exact centre between Turkey over there and Greece, Lesbos over there. We've seen 6 boats already. Now, you won't be able to see them down the lens of the camera, but I can tell you, we have one boat on the horizon there, another boat full of refugees and migrants over there. There are 2 more just leaving Turkey now. I can see the specks of the orange life jackets. And towards Greece, towards the bay down there, we can see 2 more boats arriving on shore. Look at that. There's a child there at the front of the boat. She's about 7 or 8 years old. I don't think any of those people there realise just how dangerous this is. And it's just luck if they make it across without anything bad happening. Costas, how many years have you been fishing for? 20 years. You found 7 people drowned in the sea.
Yeah.
What was that like?
Like dolls. They were like dolls. They were. All of them were together. People were wearing life jackets. Others were not wearing life jackets, but they were all together in a distance of about 15-20 meters.
How many?
About. There were six or 7.
Men, women, children?
I didn't intend to see him, only the back was outside and someone on the life jacket was standing.
What do you think of the smugglers?
Everybody's trying to make money.
And remember, every woman, man and child on that boat has paid for this. The going rate is around 1,000 to 2,000 euros just to get a seat on that rubber dinghy. This shows you just how big a business this has become now. That boat that's being towed away has been used to smuggle, traffic people from Turkey to Greece. It's the biggest ship we've seen doing this since we've been here in Lesbos. Hello? BBC News. Of smugglers here.
There's a lot of smugglers, but there are some. So we mistaken you. We thought maybe you were a smuggler.
But where? Where are they?
They're everywhere.
Yards from the shore, so close to Greece, but their engine has failed. And there's an argument now about what to do. It shows you that these people aren't professionals, they don't know the seas, and that's why so many are dying in this narrow sea between Turkey and Greece. And this is what it's all about, reaching Europe. As these people were crossing, they were shouting Syria. They were cheering, they were screaming as soon as they touched down on Greek soil. But this is just the beginning of the journey. They go on from here, up through Macedonia, Serbia, Croatia, trying to get to Austria, then Germany or Sweden or Denmark. And to try to begin their lives again.